To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. Some financial experts have found that much of financial success did not come from knowledge or skills, but how much you can connect with people and get them to trust you. Ever heard the saying, "You're as good as your network"? This means that the kind of people you spend time with determines how successful you are going to be. So, how can you get people to like, trust, and respect you the moment you meet them? Stay with us, and we'll show you the practical ways to impress just about anyone, including that badass entrepreneur you've been wanting to pick the brain of for months. Feed expectations. If you've had some form of communication with a person you're about to meet, you've probably already created some sort of image around you in their minds. For example, if you've sent an email with a smart joke, they might already assume you're a witty person. So be sure to feed those expectations by dressing and presenting yourself well when meeting them in person for the first time. Be mindful of your body language. Your body language does speak louder than your words. While you might be smiling and complimenting the person you're speaking to, your body language might be giving out closed signals, such as crossing your arms or looking away from them constantly. When communicating with people, hold yourself in a way that signals an open heart. Maintain eye contact and look approachable. Control your attitude. Aside from your body language, your energy is what people respond to. Give off good vibes. That would impress people. If you feel frazzled, soften your facial features and try to calm yourself. And if you are unenthusiastic about something or someone, give off positivity by smiling and putting some energy into your actions. By doing so, you will make a good first impression and lift your mood. Synchronize your messages. People detest mixed signals and are put off by people who give mixed signals. If you want to impress anyone, make sure your body language, the tone of your voice, and your words are all giving the same message. Consistency in messages gives you clarity and also makes you credible with the people you're working with. Be curious, open-minded, and interested. People love to talk about themselves, so when you seem curious and interested in them, to keep them talking about themselves, chances are they will be impressed by you. Ask them questions about their lives, their projects, give feedback, and react positively. Do you know other tips that will help impress people? Share them with us in the comments. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.